Theories of IQ or intelligence theories. We have mainly three theories. It is multifactor theory, which is given by Thorndike, two-factor theory of intelligence given by Spearman, and group factor theory, which is given by Thurston. Initially, what is intelligence? Intelligence is related to cognitive skills and they operate through learning, adaptation and abstract thinking. Thus, intelligence is nothing but cognitive capacities or mental capabilities of a person. And to measure the intelligence, we have plenty of scales like Binet and Wechsler scales of intelligence for both children and adults. Coming to the theories, first one, multifactor theory. It is given by Thorndike and Howard Gardner. They propose that the people are not born with all the intelligence they will ever have. Thus, they challenge the traditional notion that there is one single type of intelligence known as general intelligence, which focus on cognitive abilities. It's the existence of interpretations regarding the nature of intelligence, which is constituted of multitude of separate factors, elements, and each are minute elements of ability. Any mental activity is composed of these minute factors. So, it is nothing but composed of many factors. That is given by Thorndike's. This theory says that there is no such single factor as general intelligence and only many highly specific acts. Thorndike's reality is an autonomistic theory of mental activity, and the mental activity is a combination of many minute elements. If two mental tasks are positively correlated, then they have more common points. CAVD is Thorndike's test of mental ability, which is nothing but completion, arithmetic reasoning, vocabulary, and directions. These four sets of items entire range of intelligence. They represent and sample only certain parts due to significant correlations between all types of measures within the tested range. Abstract aspects of intelligence can be estimated with accuracy. Coming to second theory, that is Spearman's two-factor theory. They oppose the theory of Thorndike, that is multifactor theory. It states at other extreme of interpretations. It's the general intelligence capacity, and they postulated a two factors theory, that general intelligence and specific intelligence factor. General energy is needed for all types of mental tasks, so it is mental energy as it's similar to the physical energy. Positive correlation between the two or more functions indicates general factor and the specific factor, that is, which is unique to the activity itself. In sum, it's important measure of the intelligence. So here we have two factors, general intelligence and specific intelligence. Coming to the third theory, that is group factor theory, which is proposed by Thurston. These views are in between the Thorndike's theory of multifactor theory and Spearman's two-factor theory. Intelligence is combination of traits and factors. It is the main key point in group factor theory. Intelligence is a cluster of abilities and these mental operations constitute a group. Second group of mental operation has its own unifying primary factor. Third group has a third primary factor and so on. So here nearly 6 groups which are designated as primary mental abilities related to intelligence. They are number factor N, verbal factor V, space factor S, reasoning or reading factor R, word fluency W, rote memory M. The primary mental abilities functionally interdependent of each other. But later, they found that they are positively significantly intercorrelated and dependent on each other. In addition to primary abilities, there is a second order general factor. In addition to the primary plus presumably an independent factors, there are other factors that show positive correlations existing between the various psychological tests. So they focus that intelligence is nothing but a group of factors, not only single or two factors. So this is about few points related to intelligence theories.